you couldn't add it up if you master addition. Where I come from, getting visuals, habitual. You're more safe walking on hot coal than rituals. I splashed the paint on the wall, formed a mural.